Hey friends, it's fall here in Colorado, which means the leaves are blowing. Gives us a good opportunity for another tool review video. This is the lawn blower. It can be used for leaves, it can be used for snow, all sorts of applications. You can find it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. So on today's video, we'll unbox it, we'll put it together, we'll give it a quick demo, and then a review to see if it's worth your time and money. So here's everything that is included. We have the main blower unit here. It's got a max speed of up to 160 miles per hour. Now this pushes into this main tube unit so you get more of a directional experience. And then it comes with two of these 20 volt max batteries. They're each 4 amp hours, and then you have a fast charger. So the directional extension tube actually slides on just like this and is gonna click into place on this plastic bit. We then grab one of our batteries, you can flip it upside down, and this slots directly on top of the blower. Another nice little feature is you can actually push this little battery button on the front here, and it'll show you how much battery life is left on your current battery using these green light indicators. We're then ready to operate it. Again, it holds really nicely in a single hand like this with your triggers on top. You have your power button, and then you have your variable speed button, and I believe there's only 2 settings. Okay, it's time for a demo test. As you can see, I can easily hold this with one hand, which is really, really nice. It only weighs 7 pounds. As you can see, we've got a bunch of debris from our mulch spilling over into our driveway, as well as some leaves. Let's kick this on its first setting and give it a test. As you can see, that made quick work of the small stuff. Leaves are gonna be even easier. Let's see if we can kick this up a little bit using this variable speed and actually move this piece of log right here. And that worked fantastic. Even that big piece of wood right there was just no problem for this thing to move. I'm thoroughly impressed. So there you go, that's the lawn blower. It's definitely a nice little piece of equipment. I like how lightweight it is. It's very easy to use, very intuitive, couple different settings that are actually pretty strong and can move some of our smaller stuff. Now this isn't gonna be a monster powerhouse that you could use for really large applications, but I think for most people around their house for their various yard work, this is going to work great. So thumbs up from us. Again, you can find it right here on Amazon. We'll put those links in the description box below. Friends, hopefully this video has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button and then subscribe, because we got a ton of these tool review videos to make your shopping experience just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.